My name is Kevin Bourke. I'm a certified financial planner professional and author of the book, Make Your Money Last a Lifetime. What is the difference between an income and a remainder beneficiary? Well, the easiest way for me to answer that question is to show you an illustration, a real-life example. So let's just say that you have Ted. Ted has an estate he would like to leave to his children and grandchildren. So Ted we would call the grantor. So he takes his estate and he places it in a special type of trust. His daughter Linda is named in the trust as the income beneficiary. And what that means is when Ted passes, when Ted dies, his estate goes into the special type of trust, and Linda can then do just what it says. She can then take income from that trust. So for her entire life, she gets the income from whatever the assets were that Ted left. She can't invade the principal, but she might get a monthly check, let's say. So we've all met somebody who gets a monthly check. Sometimes we call them trust babies, and they're getting income from what their parents left. But let's just say that Ted didn't want Linda to get the principal because he really wanted to pass that on to his grandson, Billy. Now, there are different reasons he might choose to do this. There's different estate planning techniques, and it can actually be very complicated. But what this would mean is Ted leaves the principal, or the income from the principal, to his daughter, Linda. When Linda dies, then the principal, or otherwise known as the corpus, passes to her son, Ted's grandson, Billy. So whatever's remaining in the trust, Billy gets, and that's why he's called the remainder beneficiary. So it's really just what it sounds like. You have an income beneficiary that gets income for life, and then you have a remainder beneficiary that receives whatever is left. Now, this is just one example. Again, there are many variations. You'd want to talk to an estate planning attorney about this, and perhaps a tax professional. One last thing I do want to point out, though, is it's possible that the income and the remainder beneficiary might be the same person. One person might be able to get both the income and end up with the remainder at some future date. So the point is that there's lots of variations. So this is the answer to the question, what are income and remainder beneficiaries?